Right then, it's the one and only Hibs Happy Hour. Happy Friday, everybody. We are now officially out of... rum mixed with ginger beer. Really easy cocktail to make this week. You can just make this straight away as you get home. So what we need for this cocktail is a navy rum. It's really quite ideal for this. And what we're using here is the Lamb's navy rum, which is recommended by Victoria Moore. Quite a good mix. And then we're going to use a pretty good quality Bundaberg, which is an Australian ginger beer. Really quite good. There is quite a bit of a difference between ginger beer and ginger ale, and that is discussed in my Moscow Mule recipe. And then you need a tumbler of ice. So we're going to mix 1 shot of the navy rum into there. Ooh, spot on, absolutely amazing this. Lamb's Navy Rum does really go well with this, it's absolutely superb. Really good to get your feedback. It'll be really interesting to hear what you're up to with your rum cocktails this Christmas. Happy December, everyone. Ooh, perfect for a long week.